This is problem 11 of our 2021 AMC 10A problem debrief. And for which of the following integers is the base B number? 2021 of base B minus 221 of base B not divisible by 3. So let's take a look at what it means to be a base B number. The normal number system we use is called the base 10 number system. And so we have tens places, ones places. So if I take a number like 2021, it's got a thousands place, a hundreds place, a tens place, and a units place. So thinking back to fundamental arithmetic, this is really just 2 times 1,000 plus 0 times 100 plus 2 times 10 plus 1 times 10 to the power 0, which is just 1. So I'm going to rewrite that as 2 times 10 cubed plus 2 times 10 squared plus 2 times 10 to the first plus 1. Similarly, with 221 in base 10, we can write this as 2 times 10 squared plus 2 times 10 to the first plus 1 times 10 to 0, which is just 1. Now let's take a look at what base B would be. And this is when the base of these exponents is B and not 10. So 2021 is simply 2 times B cubed plus 0B squared plus 2B plus 1. And 221 is simply 2B squared plus 2B plus 1. Now, I'm subtracting 2021 base B, which is what this is in 221 base B. So I'm really just subtracting these expressions I've got on the right-hand side. When I subtract them, I get that base B is equal to, well, some terms are canceling out here. This 2B cancels, and this 1 cancels. But I've got 2B cubed minus 2B squared left, and I can factor that into 2B times B minus 1. That's what I've got left. And so really the fastest way to go about this would just be plugging in the answer choices actually. So if I let B equals option A, B equal 3. So I've got 2 times 3, which right off the bat shows me that it's divisible by 3. So A is not the answer. Plugging in B, option B, so that's going to be B equals 4. I will end up with this expression 4 minus 1, which is 3. So I'm multiplying 2 times 4 times 3, which is divisible by 3. So it's not that option. Plugging in 6, I've got 2 times 6 as my 2B, and so it's going to be divisible by 3. That's not the answer. Plugging in 7, I've got 2 times 7 minus 1, and this expression is going to come out to 6. So it's going to be 14 times 6. So it's not the answer, and the only answer choice left is option E, 8. And when I plug that in, I get that I've got 2 times 8 minus 1, which is 2 times 8 times 7. And that's not divisible by 3. So our answer is option E, 8.